So I don't think anybody else would have been whooping my kid, not even their dads. But like if they're doing something, you can correct them. You
Right.
can put
Yeah,
them in timeout
absolutely.
or whatever. But as far as spanking them, no, because
It's the situation of the matter.